have suffered from digestion issues my entire life.
Hello!
I've been hearing a lot of talk about DNA tests and how they might be able to help figure out your food triggers and food allergies. And I went out and I bought this kit called 5 Strands Affordable Testing. And I'm going to show you what's inside and try it out in front of you for the very first time. So this is how the box looks when you open it. Here's your little envelope that you send your samples into. It's a little baggie here. A free shipping label to send your sample in. Little baggie information card to keep track of your sample. You can either go to their website or you can scan this little QR code up here. And it takes you to this app where you can fill in all of your information to get the kit registered. And then once you're done, you get a little congratulations message. Now we're going to move on to collecting our sample. Collect 10 to 15 strands of head hair or any body hair. For this video, I'm going to use some of the hair on my head. We're going to place our hair sample in this little white parchment bag. Since I dye my hair, I think it would be best to take it as close to the scalp as possible. Here we go. Ooh, this is scary. I'm going to guess and hope that this is at least 15 strands of hair. And place it in this bag. They're probably gonna get this hair and be like, who the hell is this person with bright pink hair? Next, it says to place the parchment bag in the silver bag and then seal the bag shut. There's like all these little hairs coming out over the top. Sorry, 5 strands, deal with it. Then it says to place the bag back in this box, but I already kind of destroyed the box. Okay. Whatever. Make sure you write down your tracking information. Then you place the box in the bag, attach the shipping label, and drop it off at the post office. And then we just wait about 1 to 2 weeks for them to process the sample and we'll get the results.